Hi there guys, I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech and this is the unboxing and complete review of the Boult Audio Airbass Z40. Now these earbuds are priced at $14.99 and you can buy it on boultaudio.com, Amazon or Flipkart. It's available in 3 colors, blue, white and brown, and we have the blue color. By the way, pricing is a bit varied on all the 3 sites, so choose the one which has the least cost. Now with that said, let's get on with the unboxing. So once again, here's the box. On the front, it has a minimalistic design. It just says Z40 and there's also a preview of the case with Boult Audio branding. On the back side, there are some highlights like it's got ultra low latency, which is great for gaming. It's got 10mm drivers, dual master, which basically means you can use both earbuds individually. Next, we got noise cancellation for the mics and water resistance. We got some more information. Let's just skip that and unbox it. Inside the box, there's a small envelope, next there's the earbuds case, and finally we have the accessory box. Inside the envelope there's documentation, and inside the accessories box there's extra ear tips and a Type-C cable for charging. Finally, this is the case and this is how it looks. Now first, let's have a physical overview. On the front, it has got the branding and it has a unique design. There's also an LED indicator at the bottom. On the back side, it's completely plain. On the sides, we can see the design that goes all around. On the bottom, we have a USB Type-C port. Now this is how we can open the case. It looks really fancy and there's also the left and right markings on the inside. Now let's take out the earbuds. These are the earbuds. They have the branding on the stem. Above the branding there's a touch area with an LED inside. On the other side we got the ear tips, charging pins, followed by the left and right marking, and finally a mic towards the bottom on each earbud. Now these are the complete specifications of these earbuds. It comes with Zen mode ENC, IPX5 water resistance, we got touch controls at the top. In the audio department, it's got 10mm rich bass boom XTM tech drivers, also offers low latency for gaming. It also got fast type USB charging, it's got Bluetooth 5.1 and also supports voice assistants. Now the case itself weighs about 42 grams and each earbud weighs about 4 grams. Now let's check out the pairing process. First, you obviously need to open the case and remove the earbuds. Now once you remove the earbuds from the case, they pair to themselves and enter the pairing mode. Now you need to go to your phone and start the process to pair a new device. Just tap on Boult Audio Airbass and that's it. The earbuds are paired. By the way, whenever you connect or disconnect with your phone, there's a voice prompt on the earbuds. Now as for the functionality, you can touch the touch area once on either earbuds to play or pause. Tap it twice on the right side to play the next track. Tap it twice on the left side to play the previous track. You can also tap and hold on both earbuds to trigger voice assistant. That's basically Google Assistant for Android and Siri for Apple. We also have auto pairing feature. You just need to remove the earbuds from the case and they'll automatically pair it with the last paired device. And whenever you put the earbuds back into the case, they'll disconnect and enter the charging mode. Now for the review, I'll first start off with the design and build. Now this is once again how the whole charging case looks like. Honestly, these earbuds have the most unique design I have seen in any charging case. Like the way it opens up is completely different and honestly you need to get used to it to conveniently open the case. But once you're done, it gets the job done. Now overall the build of the charging case is pretty good. It's completely made of some hard plastic. Doesn't feel too flimsy or weak. It's very well solidly built. It doesn't have any shiny finish, so you won't see a lot of scratches or fingerprints, at least not too much. Overall design is pretty unique and the build is pretty good. But as I've said, it opens up in a very unique way and you have to get used to it. Now for the earbuds, they look pretty good. They're like pretty standard style earbuds. They weigh pretty lightweight, just about 4 grams. Even in ear, you will forget about them once you wear them for a while and they're pretty comfortable. They have a very snug fit and even when I shake my head, they don't fall off. Like really, I tried really hard and they didn't fall off. Now as for audio quality, it sounds pretty good. Even at full volume, there's no audio distortion and you can feel the bass above 40% volume. And it has a balanced overall audio quality. It doesn't have active noise cancellation, but while listening to music or podcasts, ambient noise was not that audible. Obviously, I'm talking about in a closed environment. If you're on a road, well you can. Now for the call quality, I'll say once again it does a pretty decent job. Voice on both sides is pretty audible, loud and clear. There wasn't any connectivity issues either. Now finally, when it comes to the battery department, we don't have specifics about the battery sizes on the earbuds or the charging case, but overall, including the charging case, Boult says we can get about 60 hours of total playback time. I'd give it about 40 to 50 hours, and using the earbuds, you can easily get about 6 hours of playback time. Now that's based on my testing. So guys, to conclude, for a price of 1500 rupees, these Z40 series earbuds look good, have a very unique design, they sound pretty good, they fit pretty comfortably, and they also have a pretty long battery life. As for the whole design about the charging case, they are definitely not the most practical way to take out the earbuds out of the case, but it gets the job done and it's not a major issue. So guys, to conclude, for a price of about 1500 rupees, Boult Audio Z40 is definitely a pretty good device. It's got a pretty unique design, good build, good audio quality and good voice quality as well on calls. Now one thing to look out for is the way how the case opens up and you remove the earbuds. So that's the only tricky part, but once you get used to it, you can move on with it. So guys, that's pretty much it for this video. If you're planning to buy these earbuds, use the link in the description. It always helps the channel. With that said, this is Nikhil signing off. See you in my next video.